In this video, we're going to look at a principle of addition that is fairly simple, but it's also very important that we make sure that we understand it before we go any further. So let's have a look. The topic is, if we're adding numbers together, does it matter which order we add them in? Let's have a look. When we're adding numbers, we're just bringing two collections together. So if we have an example 4 plus 5, I'm going to just make it so we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we add these two numbers together, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is the same as 9. So what happens when we switch the order around? Is it going to make any difference? This time I'm going to have 5 plus 4. To make sure that my collections are in the right places, I'm just going to switch them around. Then we've got 5 plus 4 equals, and we could work it out. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that also equals 9. This is what we're showing here. 4 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 4. This is very important to understand because it's showing us we can switch the numbers around and still get the same answer. Will this hold true for other numbers, or is it just this one? Let's try another. In this example, I'm going to have 6 plus 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 12. Once again, addition is about just combining the numbers together. So let's do that. We've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All together, when they're combined, we've got 18. And is it the same the other way around? 12 plus 6. So I've got 12 plus 6. And of course, when I combine them, it's going to be the same. 18. We can say that 6 plus 12 is the same as 12 plus 6. Is this going to hold true for all numbers? Yes, it will. Because when we're just combining two collections together, it doesn't matter what order they are because they're getting put together. I hope that makes sense. Let's take this principle and use it for something useful in the next video. See you there.